Okay mga kaibigan, dito tayo kakain sa Lazy Dog. Tamad na aso, banal na aso. Natatawa ako. Masarap sana rito mga kaibigan. Wow, Lazy Dog, alright. Okay. Do I give this to you?
Yeah, do you guys need any kids menu?
Yes. Lazy Dog. Look at that. Lazy Dog. Okay mga kaibigan, narito tayo sa Lazy Dog. Ito mga pwede mong orderin dito. Ang dami. Yeah. This restaurant is also in the process of opening a branch in Manila. Yeah, kaya ayan po, tignan nyo. They're big. Lazy Dog, do they actually serve dog meat here?
Not dog meat. What we do in the patio, you can bring your dog.
Oh,
so
okay.
The whole patio, there are several dogs out there right now even. And we make dog food like chicken and rice and stuff for the dogs.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so I have the penne carbonara, the fish and chips, the barbecue ranch burger well done with fries, and then the kids pizza with sausage and fruit, and they're allergic to nuts, eggs, and fish. Okay? And what about to drink for you?
Nuts and shellfish, actually.
Yes, nuts, egg, shellfish.
And just water.
Just water and one soda.
Oh, for them, what drinks do you have?
Do you have apple juices for the kids? Okay, apple juices for the kids.
Regular Coke,
Regular Coke.
2 waters, Coke, and 2 apple juice?
Yes.
No problem. Alright.
Okay, ano pala ng Lazy Dog, pwede kang magdala ng aso rito, lalagay mo sa labas, meron dong area sa labas na may aso. Okay, puntahan natin. I'm sorry. So yung may aso sila rito, aso. May aso rito mga kaibigan, you can bring your dogs. Ayun, kaya pala. Ayun, may aso. Kaya pala Lazy Dog ang tawag dito. Pwede mong dali ng yung aso. Look at that burger, huh? Wow. It's big. Mga kaibigan ng fish and chips. Ito naman yung pen carbonara.
What is that?
They have this at Pizza Hut at Shakey sa Manila mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, tingnan natin mga kaibigan.
I'll try it.
Look at this.
Can I drop some?
Tastes good?